Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango uyu governor wa Kaunti ya Kajiado Ole Lenku ni arutete mukana kurendia migunda akiuga aria matakinyanĩirie ikiro ni megukinyukirio ikinya ria kiwatho.
I want to give a warning that we are seeing adverts all over the country on TVs saying you can buy a quarter of land in the heart of Magadi, the heart of Loitoktok, in the heart of Torosei. I want to say that is not true.
Oho Ole Lenku ni ugite ni mekugacirithia ugigirireku thuguri-ini ya migunda kaunti-ini ino niguo gutigirira akenya makiria aria marongoririe kugura migunda kaunti-ini yake matinagwo moko-ini ma turia nime.
We want to say to Kenyans who are planning to own a piece of land in Kajiado, you can do that, but the right piece.
Miario ya Ole Lenku ni nyitetwo baru ni minister wa migunda kaunti-ini ino Hamilton Peseina akiuga Kenya ingĩ makoretwo makigura migunda mwena ucio.
I would request the chairman of these land control boards to go and read that act that established those boards.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa muikariri giti kamiti-ini ya kuramata migunda guku bururi-ini Abigail Mbagaya augite thuguri ya migunda ni yongererekete na gikiro kinene bururi-ini undu uria mageretie kuingirira niguo gutigirira migunda ĩrĩa yothe redio ni mihitukie ni kamiti yao.
We have a mandate to monitor and oversight land use planning throughout the Republic of Kenya. So as a commission, we are giving our support to the county government to ensure that this is achieved.
Mbagaya ni atugiritie mubango uyu wa kaunti ya Kajiado akiuga ni guteithĩrĩria hanene harĩ ũramati wa migunda mwena ũcio. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ngugi wa Gatua.